Here we have the TKS-19 model, which has 4 damper controls, and I just want to go ahead and quickly explain those controls to you. Located here on the side of the stove, we have our primary damper control. Pulled all the way out is going to bring your combustion air from underneath the firebox. You will also notice a slight rotation in the cast iron grate at the bottom of the firebox. Located here on the rear is going to be our secondary air control. Pulled out is going to be wide open, and pushed in will be closed. On the rear of the stove, we do also have an automatic damper control as well, which goes from 1 to 3 and then has a max. So 1 through max, approximately 4 settings to work with. This one on the rear, you're not really going to mess around with. You'll have it wide open when you start your fire, and then from there you'll set that adjustment of how you want to burn the stove, and then it'll self-regulate from there. Also, when facing the front of the stove on the right hand side, you do have one more damper handle control located right here. When you slide this damper up and pull the handle forward, it's going to cause the cast iron grate to actually flip. So this we call the discharge, or would be used when you are cleaning out the stove, cleaning out any ashes or coal particles.